salamat sa ayo sa pag-attend sa Grand Coronation Night sa Search for Miss Panglao 2010. Dakong kayo kong pasikalbo na nabuhat ni namo kauban sa youth and kauban sa akong inahan na nothing is impossible if magtinabangay lang yung tanan. So I hope kini ang way na maghatag og dalan sa pagpalambo sa ato ang lungsod sa Panglao. And to all the candidates of Miss Panglao 2010, I wish them good luck. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Grand Coronation Night of Miss Panglao 2010.
We will have our special guest tonight, no other than Miss International 2005, Precious Lara Higaman.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 2005, the world-class beauty queen from our very own Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 2005 Miss International, Precious Lara Higaman. Okay, Precious, baka pwede kayong rumamba.
Good evening. I'm actually a fan of Santino. Sa'yo din.
You are so amazing.
Thank you. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Okay pa ba kayo? Okay pa ba kayo? Ayan. Unang-una po, gusto ko magpasalamat syempre sa Montero family. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for having me. Congratulations dahil this is your first ever Miss Panglao. So, lalo na dun sa Panglao Youth Organization, sobrang congratulations for making this project possible.
Any project so far?
Ayan, sino saan? Impostor. Hindi po talaga masama ang ugali ko. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Impostor yan. Every afternoon po yan. ABS-CBN, after Osaka. Thank you po sa panonood nyo. Wow! Lagot kayo kay Marco. Solid ka pamilya daw.
Okay, Precious, I think you are organizing a beauty pageant.
Yes, we did organize a beauty pageant, Turismo Pilipina, kasi tulad ng Panglao Youth Organization, I'm sure yung plano nila, ang plan nila and purpose nila for putting up Miss Panglao is para ma-inspire yung young women na mag-join, para ma-develop yung self-confidence nila at makatulong sa ibang mga kababaihan.
Okay, did you remember what your question was when you won Miss International?
Yeah. Question ko po, it was very easy, madali lang. I was just asked, if you were to win Miss International, what would you do and why? So I just said something, actually, it was a question given to us beforehand. Pero the answer I was thinking, hindi na yun yung sinagot ko. I just answered it from my heart. I just said something like, I would do something realistic. I would help the children. And it was such a simple answer, and I think the judges saw the sincerity in that.
Okay, that's nice. You know, everybody's going gaga about the Q&A portion in beauty pageants after Venus Ra. Okay?
Okay, now, mga higala, okay, gusto ba ninyo si Precious Miss Higaman nga murampa diha para mapicturean ninyo bayaw? Yes!
Okay.
Now, please, careful.
Please welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss International 2005.
Lights on, please. Lights on, please. Lights on. Ayun. Pwede kayo magpa-picture. Let's give her a big round of applause, please. And now let's call in our president, Miss Aya Montero, to please present the bouquet of flowers to our very beautiful, world-class, and celebrated beauty queen, Precious Lara Higaman from Laguna. Can we have her photo up, please?
Thank you very much. Thank you, Aya. I just want to add something. Gusto ko lang din mag-share. Just a short. Sandali lang po. Kadyot lang. 2 hours lang. Tama ba yung bisa? Oh? Ayan. Marunong ako gamay dahil kay Marco, tinuturuan niya ako. Ayan. I just want to share na before
bata pa lang po ako, pangarap ko na talaga maging isang beauty queen. This is to serve as an inspiration sa lahat ng mga kababaihan, kahit sa mga kalalakihan po natin, sa mga kabataan. Bata pa lang po ako, pangarap ko na talaga maging isang beauty queen. Kaya lang, ang dami sa akin nagsasabi, hindi ka pwedeng maging isang beauty queen dahil, unang-una, hindi raw po ako matangkad. Alam niyo po ba kung anong height ko? Hulaan nyo. Hula. 5'9"? Ayan. Ayan, usually po, ang mga sumasali talaga sa mga Miss International, Miss World at Miss Universe, 5'9", mga 5'10", may mga 6-footer pa. Pero ako po, tumataginting ang height ko sa taas na 5'5 and a half. Ayan, so ang dami po sa akin nagsasabi, hindi ka pwedeng manalo dahil maliit ka, kadako ng tenga mo, ayan, lumalabas daw sa buhok ko, ang laki daw ng labi ko, wala daw po akong hinaharap. So ang daming negative criticisms na sinasabi nila sa akin na I can't do it, na hindi posible na manalo ko. Pero dahil po naniwala ako sa sarili ko, naniwala po sa akin yung magulang ko, at naniniwala po ako sa Diyos na kaya niyang ibigay kahit gaano ka-imposible. Nanalo po ako ng Miss International noong 2005. And just to encourage all of you po, katulad ng nangyari kay Venus, nanggaling siya sa isang mahirap na pamilya, ang dami po sa atin nagsisimula sa gano'n. Kaya kayo po kung naiisip nyo na hindi kayo makakapagtapos ng pag-aaral, hindi nyo kayang maging doktor, maging nurse, maging teacher, kahit maging artista, hindi po totoo yun. Wala pong imposible. Kahit ano pong pangarapin nyo, if you put your heart into it, basta maniwala po kayo sa sarili nyo, manalig po kayo sa Diyos, then nothing is impossible. Kayang-kaya nyo po yan. Ayun po.
Thank you very much once again, Lara.
Maraming salamat po.
That should be an inspiration to all the young Panglawanis who are here this morning.
That's right. Thank you, Aya. Thank you po, Miss Nila, and kay Kagawad Ondo. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Please stay with us, Miss Kigaman. We would also like to request Miss Ana Marisa Igpit to join us here, please. And Madame Rose Soy, our reigning Mrs. Bohol International. Because we are now going to have our coronation.
We are at the company of beautiful women.
Finalists, can you please join us here?
Runner-up.
Runner-up. Okay, now get ready, Mr.
We have a
Josh.
sash.
For the
bouquet, we have Renante Balani and EJ Relampagos.
For the crown, Mr. Glenn Soco and
Aya Montero.
and then
And the cash will be given by Councilor Frank Montero and Madame Nila Montero.